Have you ever noticed your orchids growing slowly, with yellowing leaves and weak roots, even after using all kinds of expensive fertilizers? Welcome to Great Garden, where we share the most natural, effective, and budget-friendly orchid care tips. In today's video, I'll share with you a completely natural organic fertilizer recipe made from familiar kitchen ingredients, safe, gentle, and easy to prepare at home. This is a method I've been using for many years, and the results have truly satisfied me. Strong orchid roots that grow vigorously and firmly anchored to the growing medium. Thick, glossy green leaves full of vitality. Long, healthy flower spikes with evenly formed buds and vibrant blooms that last longer, retain their color well, and can even bloom continuously across multiple seasons. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any useful orchid care tips from us. Let's get started. Do you have any apples in your refrigerator? Apples are rich in vitamins and minerals, making them very beneficial for human health. In particular, apple peels contain many natural nutrients that are also good for plants. To make this fertilizer, we need to cut the apple into 2 parts. Here, I'll use a small knife like this to cut the apple peel. Apple peels are rich in vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and natural organic acids. They help provide nutrients for plants, boost resistance, and support stronger, healthier root and leaf growth. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. We will enjoy the flesh for its flavor. As for the peel, we will cut it into small pieces. Cutting it into smaller pieces helps the apple peels break down more easily, release nutrients into the water faster, and allows plants to absorb them more effectively and evenly. Next, put all the chopped apple peels into a clean glass cup. Then add 500 milliliters of hot water to steep the mixture. Finally, cover it and let the solution infuse for 1 hour. At the same time, I use oats as the next ingredient. Oats are rich in complex carbohydrates, soluble fiber, beta-glucan, B vitamins, especially B1 and B5, and essential minerals such as magnesium, phosphorus, iron, and zinc. I add 1 tablespoon of oats to a clean glass cup. Then add 500 milliliters of hot water to extract the nutrients. At this step, it's important to stir well so the ingredients dissolve and release their nutrients into the water, forming a uniform solution that's ready for the next steps. Next, let the mixture steep for about 1 hour. This steeping process helps the nutrients in the oats, ginger, and eggshells be fully released into the water, creating a solution rich in vitamins and minerals. After 1 hour of steeping, I filter out all the apple peel residue and keep only the nutrient-rich liquid. At the same time, I strain the oats together with the apple peel solution. Finally, add 1 liter of clean water to dilute the solution. Now, the organic solution is ready to use. Let's apply it to the plants in the garden together to help them grow healthier and stronger. Method 1. Gently pour the prepared apple peel and oat solution into a small cup. Then, use a soft cloth or cotton pad to gently soak up the solution and carefully wipe each side of the leaves. First, I will clean the leaves of the orchid. The solution made from apple peels and oats helps remove dust, mineral residues, and long-term buildup on the leaf surface, while also providing natural vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants from apple peels, combined with nutrients and enzymes from oats. As a result, orchid leaves become darker green, glossier, thicker, healthier, and more efficient at photosynthesis. When wiping, be sure to clean both the upper and lower surfaces of the leaves so the nutrients can be absorbed evenly into the leaf tissue. Doing this 1 to 2 times per week will help keep the leaves clean and healthy, improve nutrient absorption, and avoid waterlogging or damage to the plant. Method 2. Next, I pour the diluted apple peel oat solution into a dedicated watering can. Then gently water around the base of the orchid, so the solution slowly soaks into the growing medium and comes into direct contact with the roots. Oats provide natural carbohydrates, vitamins, and minerals that help young roots grow stronger and improve nutrient uptake. Apple peels are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, supporting root recovery, boosting resistance, and helping leaves become greener, thicker, and healthier. You should water with this solution once a week. When the plant has stabilized and is growing well, you can reduce the frequency to 1 to 2 times per month to maintain balanced nutrition and support sustainable orchid growth. Method 3. Pour the prepared apple peel and oat solution into a spray bottle, then lightly and evenly mist the entire plant, including the leaves, stems, roots, and leaf axils. Misting allows the natural nutrients from oats, rich in vitamins, minerals, and enzymes, to combine with apple peels, which are high in vitamins, antioxidants, and organic compounds, and be evenly absorbed throughout the entire plant. As a result, the plant receives balanced nutrition, enhanced natural resistance, and improved protection against bacteria, fungi, and harmful pests. You should spray once a week during the first month, then reduce it to once a month to maintain long-term effectiveness. After spraying, let the plant rest for about 15 minutes so the leaves and roots can absorb the nutrients. After 15 minutes, if there is still water remaining on the leaves or in the leaf axils, gently wipe it off with a soft cloth or clean cotton to prevent creating a favorable environment for fungal growth. Once the leaves are completely dry, the plant will be better protected, reducing the risk of leaf rot and crown rot, and maintaining a healthy state with thick, glossy green leaves full of vitality. Any leftover apple peel and oat solution can be poured into an ice cube tray and placed in the freezer for longer storage. When the solution has frozen into small ice cubes, many people have the habit of placing the cold cubes directly at the base of the orchid. This is not recommended, as the sudden low temperature can shock and weaken the roots. Instead, put 3 to 5 ice cubes into a cup and wait about 15 minutes for them to melt completely. Once the solution has returned to room temperature, slowly water each orchid pot. At this point, the natural nutrients from apple peels and oats, such as vitamins, minerals, organic starches, and antioxidant compounds, can be more easily absorbed by the orchid roots. Results after 2 months. The changes are very noticeable. Many new roots have emerged with green, plump, and glossy root tips, showing that the plant is absorbing nutrients from the apple peels and oats very well and is recovering strongly. A healthy root system is the essential foundation for orchids to grow steadily and sustainably in the seasons ahead. The orchid leaves have turned a deeper green, becoming glossier and thicker. When touched, they feel firm and resilient. Clear signs that the plant is in a vigorous, healthy state. New shoots emerging from the base are growing strongly, full of vitality. In some pots, new flower spikes have begun to appear and grow taller, indicating that the plants are stable and ready to enter a vibrant blooming season. Each flower that blooms is not only a display of natural beauty, but also a well-deserved reward for the patience and love you give to your garden. This gentle care method using apple peels and oats not only keeps orchids healthy, but also brings positive changes to the entire garden. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the Great Garden channel so you won't miss more simple yet effective plant care tips in our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching, and see you again in the next video on Great Garden.